Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna basically use Grammarly AI for error-free LinkedIn posts. So first of all, download the Grammarly AI in your App Store, Google Play. And then what you're gonna do, go ahead to the settings, right? Go to the apps, and make sure that you go to Grammarly, right? And then go to the keyboards and make sure that you toggle on the Grammarly, right? And give full access to your keyboards, right? And that will allow Grammarly to detect error for any post in any platform. So let's say, for example, I'm going to my LinkedIn, right? And in our case, we're using LinkedIn, right? I'm gonna click post plus button, and then I'm gonna paste the article that I typed, for example, right? Let's say right here, and you're gonna see that if there is any problem, right, I'm gonna say issue with people and IQ. Okay, you're gonna see right here, check the word or check word usage. Go ahead and click the two mistakes right here, and you're gonna wait for a few moments, right? And then basically you're gonna be able to modify the word, right, if there is any mistake. So you're gonna go ahead and autocorrect the word right here, issue with the right spelling, accept, and then you're gonna see the correctness, and you're gonna be able to see right here the alternative, right, and hit accept. And now you can just go ahead and hit accept, and now you modified that error inside your LinkedIn post, right? And now you can add your hashtags, tag anyone, add photos or files, and hit post at the top right. Let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.